Your body has been speaking to you, but are you listening? Hi, welcome to day number 11 of 100 Days of Ho'oponopono Healing, where every single day we are working on raising our energies, reviving our emotions, and becoming a empowered and better version of ourselves. And from today onwards, for the next 10 days, we'll be working doing Ho'oponopono for our health, because it's really necessary to be healthy before we enter the new year. Now, I really want you to understand that your body keeps all the scores. Your body is like a diary which is recording all that's happening with you, all your suppressed emotions, those unspoken worries, that unprocessed memories, the continuous stress that you are enduring, everything which your conscious or subconscious mind is understanding, your body is actually retaining it within itself. And those emotions that you don't process, that you don't release, they actually get stuck in the body. And that's how we feel, or our body indicates us that we need to work on our emotions. And at times, what I have observed in my practices with my clients and with my own self, that the more I heal my emotions, the better I feel in my body. And I can tell you, over the last 1.5 years, that I have been seriously doing Ho'oponopono for myself. All my body pains, all that BP fluctuations, all that has automatically disappeared. I didn't work on it, but that actually got disappeared just because I processed my emotions. And that's what I really want you to do today. So for today, what are you going to do? I really want you to be attentive to your body, because often when our body informs us, it informs us in the form of heaviness, pain, some kind of uneasiness, and often we complain about it rather than processing that. So today I want you to be attentive to that. So for a moment, listen to your body. And how are we going to do that? Just check with yourself, what is the one body part which is enduring most of the stress and which needs most of your love right now. So for a moment, take a deep breath, breathe out, and you can close your eyes and process your body. Scan your body and identify that region in your body where you're feeling heaviness, maybe pain, maybe some stress, maybe some easiness. Scan from toe to your head, your fingers, your joints, maybe your stomach, maybe your shoulders, maybe your spine. It could be anywhere, because different emotions get blocked on different parts of the body. So now, today, identify that one part where you really have not been attentive. You may be ignoring, but now there is a difference. Identify that body part and now place your hand there. If it's on your heart, put the hand on your heart. If it is on stomach, put your hand on the stomach. If it is on the knee, just put your hand on the knee. And now, give it love. Listen to it. And now start chanting Ho'oponopono with an intention to bless, to love, and to care for this body part, because this body part has been helping you, supporting you to conduct all your daily functions. So now, it's a time to heal that part. So how are you going to do that? Once you have identified the body part, place your hand there, start rubbing it gently as if you are loving it, caressing it, and then start chanting Ho'oponopono, that is, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, and I love you, for 108 times with an intention to heal it. So I'll repeat. Place your hand on the body part where you are able to sense the pain or stress or uneasiness. Caress it, rub it gently, and start chanting Ho'oponopono for 108 times. And you will observe, after 108 times chanting of Ho'oponopono, you will feel the easiness in that body part. And once you have observed that, I really want you to type in the comment below, I love and care for my body, and I completely attentive to its need, and I love myself. This message will be a message to not only recording it in the comment, but it's meant to also guide your subconscious that you are in the process of healing. With that, I really want you to do this activity, and for next 10 days completely focus on your health through Ho'oponopono, and I really want you to experience happy Ho'oponopono. So for now, let's close for today. I'll meet you again tomorrow on day number 12 with yet another activity for health. Till then, happy Ho'oponopono.